It's time for mac and cheese. Not just your average mac and cheese. This is a miso mac and cheese. Whenever you're making like a savoury dish, miso is your friend. Before you drain the pasta, make sure you reserve some of the pasta cooking water. That salty, starchy pasta cooking water is what's going to help you get the perfect consistency for your pasta sauce later on. Melt some butter in a pan, breadcrumbs, add some fresh herbs, put that aside. Thank you. We're gonna fry some bacon and onion up. Growing up, mac and cheese was my all-time favorite meal. And I'd be perched up at the bench watching what Mum was doing. Bacon, some onion. One of the best smells, make a bacon and onion perfume. I bet you someone's already done it.
Actually, yes, bacon and onion butter sandwich.
Someone's already thought of it. Onion and bacon is nicely done. Put it aside. Now for making the white sauce, butter, flour, miso paste, spices. This milk, first whisk it in, add a little bit more milk. And once you've got it to a nice smooth paste, then you can just add the rest of the milk, cream to make it a bit extra rich, and that salty, starchy pasta water. Cheese, some spinach into the sauce, salt. There's our white sauce. Like if I didn't know miso was in it, I'd be like, wow. Then I wouldn't be able to figure out why. Pasta, bacon and onion, pour our white sauce all over the top. Oh yeah. You know the meal's gonna be good when you haven't even started eating it and you're already getting excited. That's so the sound of mac and cheese, that squelch. We've also got that golden crispy crumb. So quick, easy, it's on the table in 20 minutes. My miso mac and cheese. So good. Again, that miso just takes it up another notch, eh? If you like the look of this miso mac and cheese, check out our winter menu.
Miso and bacon. Good combo.